Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn on how to delete or deactivate your Facebook account in 2025. So you have to just follow my steps on how I'm going to do that, and it's very easy and quick method. First, you go to Facebook, and in Facebook, when you reach in here, make sure to click on those three lines in the upper right corner. You're gonna click on that, and once you see these options, make sure to select on settings. You can see on the top, click on settings. Once you click on settings, you have to go into account center. You can see there's an account center in the meta option. You're going to click on see more in account center. Click on that. Once you click on that, you can see it's my ID. You will scroll down and you can see an option called in account settings. You can see an option called personal details. You are going to click on personal details. Once you click on personal details, you can see these are my personal information. I might be hiding this in my video, so you're gonna hide those. And I'm going to click on account ownership and control. Once you click on account ownership and control, you can see there are two options: either memorialization, which means you are if you're gonna die, what's gonna happen to your account, and deactivation or deletion. We're gonna click on deactivation or deletion. Once we are done with that, we're going to select our account. So call Houston is my account. I'm going to click on that, and I have two options: either I delete my account in your case if you want to delete it, or deactivate your account. So in this video, I'll teach you how you can deactivate that. So I'm going to click on deactivate and click on continue. Once we click on continue, it will ask us the password again that we just put in, and we'll continue on that. Once we are done with that, it will take 30 to 45 days. If you don't log back into this account, or after that, if you want to log into your account, you can access this as well. So deactivation means you can come back after some time because you don't want any other person to see your profile. It's like going into hibernation. So this is a quick and easy method on how you can deactivate your Facebook account following these steps. If you like this video, make sure to leave a comment below. Subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.